In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove or delete a Chrome extension. If you have an extension in Google Chrome that you no longer use or one that's causing problems in your browser, removing it is usually very quick. And if you're not completely sure you want to delete it, Chrome also gives you the option to simply disable it instead. That way, the extension stops running, but it stays installed in case you want to turn it back on later. To begin, go ahead and open Google Chrome on your computer. Once Chrome is open, look to the top right corner of the browser window and click the three dots. This opens the main Chrome menu, where you'll find several browser options and settings. From that menu, click Settings. This will take you to Chrome's settings page, where you can manage different parts of your browser, including privacy, appearance, and installed tools. On the settings page, find and click Extensions. This section shows all of the extensions currently installed in Chrome. Once you're in the extensions area, take a moment to look through the list and find the specific extension you want to remove. Each extension is usually displayed in its own box, along with its name and a few controls. When you find the one you no longer want, click Remove. Chrome may ask you to confirm your choice, and if it does, simply confirm the removal. After that, the extension will be deleted from your browser. If you're not ready to remove it completely, you don't have to. Instead, you can just disable the extension. This is a good option if you think you might need it again later, or if you're troubleshooting a browser issue and want to see whether that extension is causing the problem. To disable it, use the toggle switch on the extension card. Once it's turned off, the extension will stop working, but it will remain installed and can be re-enabled any time. That's all there is to it. Opening Chrome, going to the three-dot menu, selecting Settings, and then visiting Extensions gives you full control over what's installed in your browser. Removing unused extensions can help keep Chrome cleaner and sometimes even improve performance, while disabling them gives you a safer way to make temporary changes without deleting anything permanently. Thanks for watching, and now you know how to remove or delete a Chrome extension.